Also, it's quite important that the revolution, the Islamic revolution, has its own values. And the resistance people are quite committed to these principles that can end the Zionists. The resistance in Yemen will do also their job. And they want, and everyone wants to help. People also in Iraq wants to help us and to help the Islamic revolution. I'd like also to talk about the damage that has happened, about those who lost their beloved ones, or those who got wounded and injured, those who are suffering any damage, those who lost their jobs or even left their areas. I want to tell them that according to the experiences that I had with the martyrs, the leaders, including my father, my wife and my sister, they are very loyal. They helped everyone, and the end was great for her. All those martyrs are in a better place, and they continue the path of the previous martyrs. We need to be aware of the promise given to us by Allah Almighty for sacrificing our lives for our countries. We need to be patient, and we need to believe in the promises of Allah Almighty.